Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zapier to schedule Monday.com updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Zapier to schedule Monday.com updates, begin by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Trigger section, search for and select Monday.com from the list of available apps. Next, choose the trigger event that fits your needs, such as new item or updated item. Click Continue to link your Monday.com account to Zapier. If prompted, click on Sign in to Monday.com to initiate the authorization process. You will be redirected to the Monday.com login page. Enter your Monday.com credentials, then click Login. You may need to authorize Zapier to access your Monday.com account. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once authorized, you will return to Zapier. Select the specific board you want to monitor for updates. After selecting your board, click Continue to proceed. Now, test your trigger to ensure Zapier successfully connects to Monday.com. If the test is successful, click Continue to move on to the Action section. Search for Monday.com again in the Action step. Choose the action event you wish to perform, such as Create Item or Update Item. Click Continue and then select your Monday.com account once more. Now, configure the required fields for the action you selected. Map the data from your trigger to the corresponding fields in Monday.com. Once you've set up all necessary fields, click Continue to proceed. Test the action to ensure it works properly with your updates. If the test is successful, click Done Editing to finalize your Zap. You have now authorized Zapier to schedule updates in Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.